In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle products in WooCommerce. We're going to dive into the process of creating a bundled product that will be an incredible asset for your online store, especially if you want to encourage customers to purchase multiple related items at once. To get started, navigate to the Products menu in your WooCommerce dashboard and click on Add New. Here, you'll name your product bundle. For instance, you might call it Gift Bundle if you're putting together a collection that could be perfect for holiday gifting or special occasions. Once that's done, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Product Data. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Grouped Product. The choice of a grouped product is crucial here, as it allows you to offer multiple simple products together without requiring them to be purchased as a single unit. Next, click on the Linked Products tab just below the Product Data section. This is where you'll add the existing simple products you want to include in your bundle. Imagine creating a gift set with a handcrafted soap, a candle, and a small towel. Each of those items would already need to be created as separate products in your WooCommerce inventory. You simply link them here, creating a neat, organized bundle for your customers to browse through. With your products linked, it's time to set your featured image. This visual representation is what catches the eye of your customer and sets their expectations. Choose an image that represents the bundle as a whole, perhaps a beautifully arranged photo of all the bundle items together. Include a product description that highlights the benefits and uses of the bundle, ensuring that customers know exactly what they're getting and why it's special. Once everything looks good to you across those sections, it's time to take the final step. Click Publish. With that, your bundled product is live, ready to attract customers interested in purchasing multiple items. What's nice about grouping products in this way is that it provides customers with a seamless experience when adding various items to their cart, since they can opt for just one, two, or all the products in the group based on their preference. While bundling products in this manner is effective for encouraging bulk purchases, there's a caveat to keep in mind. A grouped product in WooCommerce doesn't offer the flexibility of specific bundle pricing. Additionally, as grouped products only include simple products, you won't be able to integrate any variable products, such as items with size or color options. Keeping this in mind will help you better manage expectations, both for yourself and your customers, and lead to smoother transactions and increased satisfaction. And there you have it, a beautifully curated product bundle that you can offer on your WooCommerce site. Hopefully, this has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!